These two love each other. Look at that massive bat.
No way.
They'll obviously be hungry now.
How are we gonna get rid of the bird? Hello everyone and welcome back to coolcapetravel.com for fun and informative travel videos. We are back at Jurassic Park, also known as the Birds of Eden, and I'm standing next to the guy who built it all. His name is Tony Blichnout.
Hi there, hi, and welcome.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome back to the largest single dome free flight aviary on the entire planet. This magnificent facility has been providing a safe haven and sanctuary to unwanted, lost and injured birds from the pet industry since 2005. Since our first video about it went viral, we are back to give you a behind-the-scenes tour and show you how this terrific bird refuge was constructed. This big-holed mesh is an example of the original mesh that was used, but it started to rust and was replaced by a stainless steel knit mesh that was 80 tons lighter, weighing only 8 tons in total.
It's woven. Just like a stocking, almost.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Quite amazing, eh?
This is a disinfecting, sanitizing foot mat that all guests have to walk across before they enter to prevent invasive species and animal diseases from entering the aviary.
So normally we have a chain that you walk through, but with COVID, we can't have everybody touching the chain, so it's kind of held up there.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was basically to stop birds flying in.
Alright. Oh, you see what I mean?
Yeah, so now you're inside.
Whoa!
Now you're inside. You can see it's quite a big structure and a lot of flight room and a lot of birds in free flight here. Now these were all pets.
Pets.
Yeah, that's an African grey. They're all pets.
And then people just...
They bring them here because, let's say, the parents died and it was the parents of pets. They don't want to go to a pet shop. Please come say hi.
And there's one right next to you as well. Just look your camera.
But this one?
Yeah.
He's right in my ear here.
You might take a cups out of it. See, look at this. Here's a blue macaw.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
So that's the beauty of it. There's another one. I'll scroll it. So,
But they also
just look, there goes an African grey, fine.
Wow.
There goes Indian ringnecks. There, another African grey, fine.
for your ear, man.
This is like a whole ground for them. It's kind of like being in the wild.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And they can fly. It's not being in a cage where you're like locked up in a little confined area. You're just standing in. Yeah, and we have spoonbills coming floating through flying.
Violet.
So the first one's purple crest and the violet with the yellow.
The Neisner always has the white on top of the eye, the white below the eye, and the white comb on top.
Oh.
And the only difference with the Livingston is he looks like he didn't brush his hair. It stands up.
Oh, right.
More spiky. That's also a Neisner livery. This is a ringneck parakeet, also known as the poor man's parrot.
Oh, okay.
There's another blue one there. They come in various colors. That's a very common bird that people drop off here with us.
Oh, really? Okay.
And that's a blowdaker.
That's a grey daker.
No, blowdaker.
Low daker.
The females are actually much cleverer than the boys. You'll see it very clearly in mating season. The boys will be chasing the girl, and when she's had enough of it, she just jumps up there. And they still run around here looking for it.
So it is a happy place. I mean, all these birds that came here came from worse conditions, like zoos, breeders, laboratories, and all sorts of...
Tony didn't bring big bulldozers and machines in to build this place. They were dug by hand.
Yeah. So we built this all in the air, basically. So only the guy who dug the hole by hand would go down. Once we'd put the pole in, the concrete was passed down from the walkway that you'd already built, and then we would carry on to the next one. I actually built Birds of Eden for monkeys, because what happened is I'm passionate about monkeys, and I had a whole lot of miniature monkeys that were saved from laboratories. But I mean, the owls and the eagles are like all queuing up there saying, release them, release them. So I thought, no, it's not going to work. And you know, if you have a McDonald's and you open another McDonald's next to it, all you're doing is you're splitting the customers and doubling the overheads. So I couldn't open another monkey land for miniature monkeys. So I opened a bird park. And
Still yourself and look. You're going to miss so much.
yeah, just look for movements of any kind.
And if you see something move, it's chances that it's a leaf, it's not good. But they call it spontaneous.
That's starling.
Oops.
They make their own nests, you know, with what's here. We start off, we put nesting boxes up. There's a nesting box in that tower, that green.
Yeah.
Yeah. They were just in case they don't know how to make a nest. But now they've all learned.
Where are they, the nests?
Yeah, they hollow it out.
Oh, in this tree.
Like there, and there's another one at the bottom.
So that's literally white.
They make a hole in the tree, and the woodpeckers as well. They're beautiful, that's cool.
Yeah.
You'll get ricotta.
There's a few there.
So here,
They are very much easy for property. They have
Sure.
I don't know if you can feel it's a little bit cooler here. There's quite a lot of evaporation happening. This year, that's what the long leaf.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. All over the place. Beautiful. And you know the fruit and the delicious ones.
There used to be a very big.
And this place is solid.
So it's really interesting the way they're trying to lay out the park, because you loop it all the time and then you get from one type of zone to another.
If you go to any bird park in the world, I don't care which one it is, you'll find they've got a rat problem.
At Zhurong Bird Park, I've seen big rats and at KL,
No, I wouldn't mention your name, but any bird park, but you won't see a rat here.
Oh, okay.
Because our hygiene's so great, we pick up the food, you know.
It's a little bit more labor intensive.
Yeah.
And we want to keep our birds as healthy as possible. So
Yeah, these red and black ones there.
the barbets, the double tooth barbets.
Oh, now I got them.
We also have plastic barbets. We stopped using the amphitheatre for events and things because one stage a couple of parrots lived here that were very territorial. So they would bomb dive people if they were, but they moved now. Look at that massive bat.
No way.
You had them wide open, who's opening them up again?
Look at that.
That is
That's insane.
prehistoric.
That's the Malaysian fruit bat.
Flying fox.
Flying fox.
Yeah, probably in the kitchen.
Yeah. They must be having the time of their life. Look at that. That's really cute. Happy birds.
But it's very interesting the way that the forest reshapes itself every time we've had a storm or a tree fall over.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Whoa!
Oh, in the Ibis Street. We call that our Ibis Street. It's known as... They go and do everything together, and they've got another friend, like the third wheel, who sometimes comes to visit them. But
Those parrots are very, very, very...
these two love each other.
Yeah. So they'll come and take your
And
feet.
wherever you see them, they're all together.
No.
Right here in the bush. When we grew up, we had lots of news in
Yes, yes. That's
Trying to see it now. Oh, there it is. A J-A-Y.
J-A-Y. Yeah, J-A-Y. It's an electric sparrow. The female is a different color. That's a male.
I saw another one here, but didn't get away.
The female is red. The beak is...
Why we use narrow strips here, but normally
There's a blauwkrans voor dan.
Waar is de blauwkrans voor? Ja, ons ook
there's a crested crane down there,
crown crane down there.
under the feeding station.
And see, these are juvenile ibises. Wild ibises, they don't have those full colors.
What do you call those white birds in that tree over there?
Cattle egrets.
Oh, what, sorry?
Egrets.
Egrets.
Cattle egrets.
Oh, up there, but yeah, because, yeah, it's nice to be there. That's why I'm going to take you Oscar de la Rente and Elizabeth Tail. The bag, you know, in case it's stolen from the bird. Yeah. Oh. Yes, there's a hornbill and another starling. Yeah, the starlings are there's comes your Valkyrie.
Land ownership deal anyway.
Valkyrie.
And beautiful sunshine.
Amazing.
So these are the vulturines.
Yes.
Look at that. That's the money shot.
Yeah.
So they do look like vultures.
What I'm telling you about. So this used to be like there's a dam here. This is a dam. It's part of the filtering thing, and then the other side is a lung of like a wetland. Big, 2 hectares.
This comes into that.
It goes through that, flows through that. So we regularly check the water here.
Yeah, they like It's the easiest way to explain our ugly door.
Yeah,
Because we just got so sick of putting new doors, and every time you put a door in, I mean, it's got 2 holes in it the next day.
yeah, I guess no paint or
No.
anything will.
And they sit on the windows, and they eat there, no moss sign.
I wouldn't want to do that.